Agot is the daughter of Eric. She was born in 1984. In 1987, Eric leased the fish pond of Clarence and had put up a small house beside the fish pond for his family. One day, while Agot was trimming the cogon grass near the fish pond, Porfirio, the son of Clarence, came and was forcing Eric's family to vacate the fish pond on the ground that they do not have a valid lease. Porfirio had a bolo around his waist at that time and threatened Agot and her family. When Eric's wife reminded him that the lease period has not expired, Porfirio continued to demolish their small nipa hut. Agot was then surprised to see Porfirio carrying a gallon of gasoline and was about to pour it and burn their house. Agot then got hold of a piece of wood to stop Porfirio from his ghastly intention. However, Porfirio was able to grab the piece of wood and struck Agot repeatedly on her thighs and back until the wood got splintered. Agot sustained hematoma and wounds from the blows. She was then 16 years old. Thus, Eric filed a case for child abuse against Porfirio. In his defense, Porfirio claimed that he hit Agot because of self-defense. He added that his offense cannot be classified as child abuse because the injury of Agot was not grave and that it only happened once. Had it been habitual, Porfirio continued, that it would have been indeed a child abuse. Under subsection B, section 3 of RA number 7610, child abuse refers to the maltreatment of a child, whether habitual or not, and it includes any of the following: psychological and physical abuse, neglect, cruelty, sexual abuse, and emotional maltreatment. Any act by deeds or words which debases, degrades, or demeans the intrinsic worth and dignity of a child as a human being. Third, unreasonable deprivation of his basic needs for survival, such as food and shelter, or failure to immediately give medical treatment to an injured child, resulting in serious impairment of his growth and development, or in his permanent incapacity or death. When the incident happened, Agot was a child entitled to the protection extended by RA 7610 as mandated by the Constitution. As defined in the law, child abuse includes physical abuse of the child, whether the same is habitual or not. The act of Porfirio falls squarely within this definition. If you have any legal concerns, please do not hesitate to email us at ptv4newscenter@gmail.com. This is Attorney JJ Jimeno Atienza for the Rule of Law.